everyone. Since we have already installed all the required software for running Python program, let's start our Python programming journey. And I'm sure it will be very interesting. To start Spyder, just click on the start menu and search for Anaconda. Click on this drop down arrow and click on the Spyder. This will take some time to start. You can also search Spyder directly from the start menu. Now if your Spyder doesn't look like this, then go to the tools, click on preferences, go to the appearance, here syntax highlighting theme. Now you can choose any of theme as per your choice. Here I'm using idle theme. Once you select your theme, now click on the OK. It will ask you to restart your Spyder. Just click on the yes and it will restart your Spyder. It is having 3 sections. This is editor where we will write our Python code. This is pane where you will get help, variable explorer, plot and files. We will discuss all these things later. Now this is Python shell. The Python shell allow us to use Python in interactive mode. This means we can enter one command at a time. The shell waits for a command from the users, execute it and returns the result of execution. After this, the shell waits for the next command. For example, when you type 2 plus 3, you are issuing a command to the shell asking it to evaluate the value of 2 plus 3. Press enter. The shell returns the answer 5. When you type 3 is greater than 2, you are asking the shell if 3 is greater than 2 or not. The shell replies true. The print command is asking the shell to display the line hello world. Press enter. The Python shell is very convenient tool for testing Python commands, especially when we are first getting started with the language. However, if you exit from the Python shell and enter it again, all the commands you type will be gone. In addition, you cannot use the Python shell to create an actual program. To code an actual program, you need to write your code in text file and save it with .py extension. This file is known as Python script. To create Python script, click on the file, then click new file. We'll bring up the text editor where we are going to write our very first program, the hello world program. You notice that this line is in red color, the word print is in purple color and hello world is in green color. This is the software's way of making our code easier to read. The word print and hello world serve different purpose in our program, hence they are displayed using different color. This line, which is actually not part of the program, it is a comment written to make our code more readable. This line is ignored by Python interpreter. Add comment to our program. We type #sign in front of each line of comment. Alternatively, we can also use 3 single quotes or 3 double quotes for multi-line comments. Now click File, click on Save As. To save your code, make sure you save it with .py extension. Now click on the Save button. Finally, click on the Run to execute the program. It shows hello world. Thanks for joining us.